Hi, today I'm going to be creating a tutorial for you on how to use Glogster.com. Make sure you go to Edu.Glogster.com. When you get to that site, you're going to click on the blue I'm a student. It's going to take you to this site. The very first box asks you for an educator or a school code. Each teacher has their own individual code. Mrs. Shaw, mine is 68G18H. You're going to want to create a nickname. I will never have access to this nickname, so if you lose it, there's no way to get it back, so make sure you write it down. You won't be able to ask me for it. I recommend making it something like your wordplay or something that you remember or similar to your email address. So right now I'm just creating a sample. Type in the code shown. I believe it is case sensitive, so just be careful of that. Make sure you click that you're 13 years of age and that you agree to the terms of use. Okay, so this is what they call your dashboard. On the dashboard, you really don't need to do any of this. Go straight to click on or create a new glog. When you create a new glog, it's going to ask you to choose from some templates. So you have a blank one, fly paper, handout, assignment, and random. Choose one, you'll be able to edit it. I'm going to choose this random one. And that'll load in a moment. And Glogster sometimes takes a long time to load. It's got a lot of stuff on it, so give it a moment. So now that your glog has loaded, let me help you get acquainted with how it works. You click on your toolbar for your tools to show up. The first one you're probably going to want to know about is text. All of these items here can be changed. So if you want to click on them, for example, let's click on this guy and I'm going to bring him down so you can see it. To change the text, double click, or you click this ABL button. Once you're there, to change the size, you kind of play with this, or you can click Flexi, that'll help. You can change the color by clicking that, and it'll just change whatever color the background is. To move things forward or backwards, you're going to click this, and what that'll do, for example, this box underneath it, it's going to move it front, behind, to make a copy of something. Let's say I wanted another text box just like this. You're going to click right here, and that just creates a different one. To delete anything, click the trash can. If you want to undo anything, this is important, this little undo button. It's kind of hidden up here, but it's right there. To create video, this is important. You will have to do this, and you will have to include audio. You click on the video, or you can click on Tools and Video. And what that's going to do, you're going to want to click grab probably. That's the easiest, quickest way to create a video. So click grab. It's going to bring up this interface. Make sure you scroll down. Click allow so that it can access the camera. Once you click allow, it will eventually, give it a moment, bring up something so you can start recording. So you may click record right here. And it should be taking a video of me. I'm not sure why it's not, but point remains, when you're done, click stop recording. And then you're going to go to continue. And it should be taking a video of me. I'm not sure why it's not, but point remains, when you're done, click stop recording. Name your video. You're going to be able to choose different pictures of yourself. So click save. I don't know why it's not showing me, but that's fine. You get the point. To input that video, it's processing the file. That'll take a while. Just give it a little while to do that. And you can usually move on and come back and it'll still be there. For every text box you put, so for example, if I want to change this to say, Me gustan las ciencias, you are going to need to put audio for that. So how to click audio, go to Tools, go to Audio, Click grab again so it can do it right from your computer. And read whatever it says that on your text box. Me gustan las ciencias. So click stop record.
Me gustan las ciencias.
Click stop record, then click continue. I'm just going to call it ciencias. And it should have been saved. And again, it may take a moment to log. Yeah, it's processing the file. Let's see if our video is ready. It looks like it is. When you've selected the video you want, click use it. So my video that should be showing me is right here. You can choose different players, like you can go here and you can select different things to go around it, so you can click use it and so on. The audio, to put the audio in, go to tools again, click on your audio. Here's my CNCS clip. You can choose different players for that too, but anyways, I'm just going to choose this basic one. Click use it, and then you're going to want to make sure that you move that audio piece to next to whatever paragraph you were talking about. So me gustan las ciencias, I'm just going to stick it right here. You can make it really small. Just make it big enough so that your teacher can see it and grade it. Okay, the last thing you really need to know, it is super important that you save often in this site. I would recommend saving every 5-10 minutes, so click save. Please make the title, your name somewhere in the title, so I'm on Adams, Ibrahim, Chapter 1 Presentational. So I'll click save. It's going to save, give it a few seconds. It requires you to do this, so just click World Languages, Spanish, 8, you don't need to tag it, and click Finish Saving. And when you're done, you can view it. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Most of the stuff you'll find on your handout. I've also created several other, or linked several other tutorials on that handout. Good luck, have fun.